Okay, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to kickflip. So I'm goofy, so my feet are like this, toes to you. In the goofy stance, your leading foot is your right foot, and then your popping foot is your left foot. And so in the last video I showed you how to ollie, where you pop it, push down with your left foot, and then you slide with your right while jumping. So this one, while you slide your foot up, your leading foot up, you're going to be flicking off to the side and pushing down at the same time. So you're going to pop, flick, push, and then jump. And so here's just a few examples of what that'll look like.
Learning the kickflip, don't worry about landing on the bottom side of your board. All you have to do is flick down just a little bit more and it will fully rotate.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. If this video helped you, hit us up on our Instagram, Carve Warehouse. Send us a video of you doing the trick and we'll give you a shout out.